Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. This is the place where we make English easy. I am your host, Leo, and today I have my amazing friend with me. Please welcome Anna.
Hi, Leo, and hello to all our listeners. I am so excited to be here today. I am ready to help you speak better English.
Anna, today we have a very special topic. It is for people who struggle with speaking. Do you know this feeling? You want to say something in English, but first you think in your own language, and then you try to translate.
Oh, yes, I know that feeling. It's like a traffic jam in your brain. Everything stops. It slows you down, and sometimes the translation sounds weird.
Exactly. For example, if I translate I am cold from French, I might say I have cold. That is not natural English. So the big question is, how can we stop translating? How can we think directly in English?
That is the magic key, Leo. When you think in English, you speak faster. You feel more confident. And today, we will show you exactly how to do it.
Are you ready to train your brain? Let's dive in. First, Anna, let's talk about mistakes. Why do students translate in their heads? Is it because they are scared?
Yes, fear is a big reason. Mistake number one, fear of making mistakes. People want to be perfect, so they check every word in their head before they speak.
But perfection is the enemy of fluency. If you think too much about grammar rules, you will never speak. Native speakers don't think about grammar. We just speak.
Exactly. Mistake number two, using a bilingual dictionary. If you always translate words to your native language, your brain will never switch to English mode.
That is true. It's like riding a bike with training wheels forever. You need to trust your brain.
So, how do we fix this? We have a 6-step plan. It's simple and anyone can do it.
Okay, Anna, tell us step one. How do I start thinking in English?
Step 1. Name things around you. Look around your room right now. What do you see?
I see a table, I see a lamp, I see a window.
Perfect. Don't translate. Just look and think the English word. Computer, phone, coffee.
That's easy. I can do that anywhere. On the bus, in the kitchen.
Exactly. Now, step 2, talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. Use simple sentences.
Like this, I am drinking coffee, I am putting on my shoes, I am opening the door.
Yes, nobody can hear you, so don't be shy. Narrate your life like a movie.
Okay, I'm talking to myself. What's next? Step 3?
Step 3. Use an English to English dictionary. Stop translating words to your language. Read the definition in English.
For example, I don't know the word excited. I check an English dictionary. It says, feeling very happy and eager. Ah, now my brain connects excited with happy, not with my native language.
Exactly. That keeps your brain in English mode.
And step 4, think in simple sentences. Don't try to be Shakespeare. Keep it short.
Right. Don't think, I should proceed to the market to purchase vegetables. Just think, I need vegetables. I will go to the store.
Simple is powerful. Baby steps first. Now let's talk about the voice in your head. Step 5, have an English inner voice. What does that mean, Anna?
It means talking to yourself inside your head. Plan your day in English. What should I eat for breakfast? Maybe eggs. No, I want toast.
I love that. Turn your thoughts into English. Ask yourself questions. How do I feel today? I feel good.
And finally, step 6, surround yourself with English. You need input. Listen to podcasts like this one. Watch YouTube videos. Listen to English songs.
The more English you hear, the more English you think. Your brain needs fuel. English is the fuel. Okay, Anna, we have the steps, but how do we make it a habit? Once a month?
No, Leo, you must practice every day. Consistency is key. Here are some daily exercises.
Exercise 1. Start and end your day in English. In the morning, today is Monday. I have a meeting. Before sleep, today was a good day. I am tired.
Exercise 2, the no translation rule. Set a timer for 30 minutes. For 30 minutes, you are not allowed to translate.
That sounds hard, but it is a good challenge.
Exercise 3, keep a simple journal. Write 3 sentences. I went to work. I ate a sandwich. I saw a cute dog.
But Anna, sometimes we get stuck. What if I forget a word? I want to say refrigerator, but my brain is empty.
Don't stop. Describe it. Say, the cold box for food.
Ah, that's smart. Or if I forget umbrella, I say the thing for rain.
Exactly. The goal is to keep the flow. Don't switch back to your native language.
And be patient. Thinking in English takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Wow, Anna, we covered a lot today. Let's review the 6 steps. 1. Name things around you. 2. Talk to yourself. 3. Use an English dictionary. 4. Think in simple sentences. 5. Use an inner voice. 6. Surround yourself with English.
Perfect summary, Leo. If you do these things, you will stop translating and you will start thinking in English.
Listeners, here's your challenge. Choose one step to try today.
Tell us in the comments, which step will you try first?
Thank you for joining us today, Anna. Your tips are amazing.
Thank you, Leo, and thank you everyone for listening. Remember, you can do this.
Keep practicing, keep thinking in English. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.